everyone! If you watched my recent vlogs, you must have seen that I went to Coorg from Bangalore with my family. It was an amazing trip and all 3 vlogs from our trip are now uploaded. So you can go ahead and watch them and see if this is the next trip that you plan to go on. Anyway, on the way back, we ended up stopping by at Ikea India. This is in Bangalore, on the way to Bangalore. We've never been to Ikea India. We've been to Ikea Singapore. So we were very interested to see if it compares with the Singapore Ikea. At first stop, the parking is full. It seems to be quite popular. I've had a quick freshen up from the long ride. I put on some lipstick, changed my hairstyle, put on some perfume. Let's go explore Ikea. We suddenly got so excited when we made this plan. So the map is exactly like Singapore, but my mom said that's why it's a chain. Everywhere will be same. They have a kids area where you can leave your kids to play and shop. The first floor always is the one where you buy the items. The second floor is the trap where they have the demo rooms where you'll spend most of your time. So if you want to stay on track, don't look here. Also, Ikea is purposely built like a maze, so you will never be able to get out. So you have to be focused. This is Sunday and it's very crowded. We are on our way to the restaurant, which is on the second floor. Hey. So the menu at Ikea is always on the screens and the counters that sell this are right below them. Itty vegetarian options. Paneer butter masala, chicken tikka, kids menu, cheesecake, smoked salmon, vegetable wraps. So we've taken the trolley. Guys, even the trays are heated, my brother pointed out. So like in 5-star hotels, you have heated plates so your food doesn't get cold. They have this. But at first you have ground coffee, jams and everything. So buy one, get one free, but $3.50. There's mixed berry jam, strawberry jam. So you might be thirsty and see all these drinks at the start. Don't buy them because these are not refillable. You can buy refillable drinks later. There is dessert, apple pie, mango cake, cheesecake. भास्कर अपनी टेम्पटेशन रोकते हुए क्योंकि गाड़ी में इसके पास पड़ा है heated plates, dal makhani. I was very pleased to see that they have the dal, rice and chapati options because in Singapore or in other foreign countries they of course won't have it. They had a lot of these pastry options as well. This one looks best. This one looks best. 80 rupees per piece. 80 rupees. No. Cookie is cheaper. Croissant is 80. That one with chocolate is 80. Cookie is 50. Cheapest. If you're not hungry for dal chawal, they also have potato wedges and chicken nuggets and small bite-sized food like that. So there's a good variety of Indian and Western food available. I love it. The salesperson will see what's on your trays and calculate the amount accordingly. आपने क्या बोला मम्मी हमारी क्वांटिटी को कि अच्छे से लाए ना हम खाना?
हाँ, अच्छा ढंग से लाएंगे क्योंकि डिनर भी हो रहा है।
हम चावल भी लाए हैं देखो।
मैं लोगों को देख रही थी मेरा दिल कर रहा कि आज खा लेते हैं।
ओके, सोचो बताओ ये खाना कितने का होगा? भास्कर क्या था बिल?
अच्छा।
And the drinks are refillable. और हम आपके लिए अमेरिकानो लाए हैं। यस, दिखने में फ्लफी लग रही है।
मुझे लग ही रहा था मैंने आज देखते हैं वो क्या डिसाइड करते हैं। मैंने कहा अच्छी बात है बच्चों को करने देते हैं।
ऑन कैमरा ग्रेट। भास्कर गुड जॉब।
गुड जॉब।
Hey. This is all the food that we'd ordered. So hey, time for a taste test, I guess. Let's go. First of all, I tried the lingonberry drink. Guys, the drinks were quite different, but all were too sweet for my taste. The dal, rice and the paneer combo was delicious, as if someone cooked it at their home and brought it to Ikea. I love it. I also tried the jam pastry and not so good. It's just sugar.
आप कैसे भास्कर?
रैप अच्छा है बट ये जो बीच का अनियन है ना ये थोड़ा वैसा कर सकते थे। हाँ, वो जो फ्राइड अनियन होता है जो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, क्या कहते हैं उसको? रोस्टेड। हाँ रोस्टेड मतलब फ्राइड
आलू
वो जो ब्रेकफास्ट में होता है हैश ब्राउन डाल सकते थे, वो और भी अच्छा लगता है कि लोग करते हैं।
आइडिया दे दो। तो कितना आउट ऑफ 5? 4 आउट ऑफ 5। मम्मा रोटी सब्जी ठीक है। आउट ऑफ 5 अरे 4 दे दो यार। This is definitely 4 out of 5. 4 because ये बाहर का खाना है, but it's amazing. It's really good. This, however, is just sugar water. Potato wedges बहुत less oily है। Potato wedges.
वो तो है.
The chocolate croissant or pain au chocolat.
बहुत कम चॉकलेट है इसमें.
But
I prefer वेस्टर्न वाले.
हाँ वो रही बस थोड़ी सी है. This is sparkling elderflower, also very sweet.
लोग आगे सामने. So we ate so well, guys. That was so
We
good.
ate a lot. We
A
ate
lot.
good.
But it was good. But we don't have enough time because they have to drop me at the airport. But we are going to the secret sale option. It's not secret, but people don't know how cheap you can find items here. Let me show you. So right next to the cash counters is this area called offer of the day. This is where all the defected mal goes, and this is where you find cheapest stuff. My mattress right now in Singapore, it's from there. You won't believe how cheap you can find things. So just go to this section right next to this. Near that section, by the way, we have this for 400 to 600, these big boxes. Ironing board covers for 349. 200 rupees cushions. Nice prices.
देखना.
Ooh. Oh wow, wheels.
हाँ इसमें भी.
Wow, wheels. Let's go in the cheap section. Section is called as is. Look for the as is section for the return items. Guys, this is my mattress in Singapore. Let's see. It was 8,000 and it's for 4,000 here. This is exactly my mattress. It's only for 4,000. I wonder if that's the correct price in Singapore dollars. Wow. 3,500 for a bedside table. Nice and metallic. Great. All these are returns, guys. Just take them. They have small items to big items. Chairs, desks, everything. Future purchases के लिए photo ली जा रही है because
मैं आ जाऊँगा इसमें पूरा.
हाँ because अभी time नहीं है. Some of the almiras don't have a door. They have doors here. This is amazing for 9,000. The prices are really amazing, guys. The prices are amazing. Please come here. Bought a handbag holder. There are different holders. I'll show you when I go back to Singapore. It was for 400 rupees originally, but I got it for 249. Yay! Thanks, mummy. And then it was time for our goodbyes. We made it to the airport on time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.